Lonchinintic Meditation. Part 3. Sufferings of Samsara. Meditation 37. The Suffering of the Gods. Please read Campo's instruction first. Refuge Prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Edan deities, and the Dakinis. Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, central beings of the 6 realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration Prayer. The infinity of sentient beings, and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Meditate on the sufferings of the gods. Even a rebirth as gods guarantees no happiness. The realms the gods dwell in are the desire realm, the form realm, and the formless realm. Gods in the desire realm may enjoy a splendid life. However, when their stock of merit is exhausted, they have to undergo the sufferings of death and transmigration into the existence of the lower realms. About which they will clearly know through their divine eyes. For 7 God's days, the expiring God is tormented by the agony of dying and falling. Which is more excruciating than that of a fish being thrown onto hot sand. Gods in the form realm and the formless realm, enjoying blissful moments of meditative absorption. However, when the effect of the positive actions that sent them there is used up, they fall into the low realms and suffer immensely. Some people fancy a rebirth on the God's realm to become devas. Such a wish is not advisable. Since gods themselves are still subject to the suffering of change and the all-pervasive suffering. Therefore, resolve. In order to break free from sensoric existence, I must take upon the authentic Dharma and attain the unchanging happiness of ultimate liberation. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.